Alright YouTube, I'm back here with another how-to video. Today I decided to make some custom drapery rods, which you see here. I was at Lowe's, bought some, I think they're called Allen Roth rods. They were about 20, I think, well maybe about 30 couple dollars on sale. I brought them home and my windows are actually 58.5 inches wide, so I've got a pretty wide window. It ended up being 3 pieces is what they gave you, along with the brackets and everything, but it was so flimsy it bowed in the middle. And then the actual ones that are adjustable from 72 inches, I think, to 100 and something inches, they're actually about 45-50 bucks a piece, so I decided to go the route of making my own. This is basically what it is. I used a 3/4 inch dowel rod. I drilled in the end and put a threaded screw. I have a screw that's threaded on one end and machined on the other, and actually used a doorknob off a cabinet. Eventually I'm going to paint the whole rod and doorknob and everything probably like a black color. I bought the mounts as well from Lowe's, everything at Lowe's. It ended up costing me around $35 total to do both sets of my windows here. Go over here and show you what the bracket is here. It's just a basic hang bracket. I think they were about $5 a piece. The knobs were $2 a piece, I think. And the dowel rods came in, I think, 72-inch sections, and those were like $7.50, $8 a piece. So this is basically what it turned out. The dowel rods are actually a 3/4 inch dowel rod is what it is. It seems pretty sturdy. It works out good for the curtains that I have. I'll show you some of the stuff I have here. These were the packages here that I got. They're actually a light oil rub bronze finish on those. And then these are the knobs. Came with some hardware, and I'm just using some basic drywall screws instead of these. They're kind of a pain to drive in with a screw gun. Let me show you these screws that I had bought. These are the screws here. I don't know if that's focusing or not. It's actually a wood screw on one end, and it's a threaded screw on the other end. That way it accepts the doorknob. Those are actually 8 30-second screws is what they are. You can get them at the hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, or whatever. So I just drilled out the end here with, I think it's an 1/8 inch bit. Just drilled out the end, and I just threaded it in with some needle nose pliers. And then you can just screw the actual knob right on the end of that. So it turned out pretty good. It's an effective way to get some curtain rods and some curtains in your place. And it's definitely cheaper than the store-bought ones. And like I say, the 3/4 wooden dowel rod is actually a lot more sturdier than the expensive name brand, basically junk that you get, which I ended up returning. So that's my video. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.